Question number 7. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. The diagram shows how the particles are arranged in each of these states. आपको नजर आ रहा है सारा कुछ? Use a word from the box. You can see the box in front of you. Use the words from the box to show the changes of state labeled X, Y, and Z. And now you are going to tell me all the answers over here. I am not going to be writing the answers. Now, number 1, you can see the boxes in front of you. Solids हैं, liquids हैं, and gases हैं. Now open up your mic and tell me what is X, Y, and Z. X क्या है? Liquid to gas.
Is it crystallization? Maybe.
No, think again. Liquid to gas.
Liquid.
We have a liquid.
Or
When we
just
boil
boiling. Yeah, it's just boiling. Yeah.
yeah, liquid to gas is actually boiling. Crystallization तो आपके पास liquid to solid हो गया एक तरह से. What will be the answer of Y?
It's a condensing. Yeah.
Exactly. और Z क्या हो जाएगा?
Crystallization.
Liquid to solid.
Or freezing.
It's freezing. यहाँ पे freezing
Yeah.
Crystallization itself is not a change of state. ये याद रखिए, it's a separating technique. Crystallization एक kind of a separating technique भी है. Yes, the correct answer would be freezing. 3 marks का question आपका हो गया है. Next, you're also going to help me. Which statement best describes the movement of particles in a gas? What would be the answer for this question? A, B, C, or D? If you want to describe the movement in a gas.
C.
Exactly. आपका आंसर करेक्ट हो जाएगा. C would be your correct answer. Option A is for solids. The particles slide past another. ये भी आपके पास kind of a solid or liquid mix हो जाता है. The particles do not move at all. This is also solid. Only C option represents the movement in gas. The diagram shows apparatus that can be used to measure the melting point of a solid. The solid is placed in a small tube. The small tube is then put into a liquid contained in a beaker. The liquid is gently heated and the temperature at which the solid Q melts is recorded. Give the name of the apparatus labeled P. जो पूरा apparatus है ना, इसको हम एक नाम देते हैं. We haven't done this yet. लेकिन ये जो P है, P वाले का नाम क्या है? We call it a thermometer. या कुछ basically क्या है? This is known as a thermometer, or we use it to measure the temperature. Basics है बिल्कुल. Thermometer. Solid Q melts at 140 degrees Celsius. Explain why water is not suitable. खुद सोचिए, water का जो boiling point है वो तो 100 होता है. Water boils at 100. Then what is the point? What is the point of carrying out the experiment when solid Q melts at 140 degrees Celsius? आपका तो पहले पानी boil हो जाएगा, आपका solvent ही boil हो जाएगा, so you cannot carry out the experiment. Suggest why the liquid in the beaker needs to be stirred constantly. Why do we keep stirring it? So that heat is equally distributed. हम mix क्यों करते हैं? Why do we mix? So the heat is equally distributed throughout the solution. This is your correct answer for this question.